In this exciting video, we explore 10 innovative ways to harness ChatGPT's advanced AI capabilities for earning up to $500 a day. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has rapidly gained popularity, attracting millions of users worldwide with its versatile and efficient text-based AI chatbot. Here's a detailed explanation of each of the 10 ways to earn money through ChatGPT. 1. Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your website or other online platforms and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. With ChatGPT's advanced AI capabilities, you can gain insights into trending products, target audiences, and effective marketing strategies. By utilizing ChatGPT's data-driven recommendations, you can optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, driving more traffic and increasing your affiliate revenue. 2. Blogging Made Profitable. Starting a blog is an excellent way to monetize ChatGPT. With ChatGPT's help, writing articles becomes more efficient and straightforward. You can request ChatGPT to create well-researched and engaging blog posts on various topics. As your blog grows in popularity, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and other monetization methods. 3. Editing Services Redefined. ChatGPT can be used to offer editing services alongside writing services. By employing ChatGPT's language capabilities, editing articles, blog entries, and other written content becomes a breeze. You can provide polished and error-free content to clients, earning money through your editing expertise. 4th, Research Simplified. ChatGPT's extensive training resources make it an excellent tool for conducting research on various topics and concerns. By using ChatGPT to gather valuable insights and data, you can offer research services to businesses or academic institutions, providing valuable information and earning income in the process. 5. Virtual Tutoring Triumphs. Many tutorial websites seek part-time instructors to respond to students' inquiries about academic subjects. Utilizing ChatGPT, you can provide knowledgeable answers to students' questions and construct detailed explanations. By offering virtual tutoring services, you can earn money by sharing your expertise and helping students succeed. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for developing user-friendly software solutions to common problems. For instance, if you notice a common issue in your online business, you can create software using ChatGPT's coding capabilities and sell it to others facing similar challenges, generating income through software sales. Writing emotional and impactful song lyrics is a valuable skill in the music industry. ChatGPT's natural language capabilities can assist you in crafting heartfelt and captivating lyrics. With your creative ideas and ChatGPT's language prowess, you can create song lyrics that resonate with audiences and potentially lead to income through music licensing or collaborations. Starting a recipe blog with ChatGPT's support allows you to curate a collection of delicious recipes. By leveraging ChatGPT's vast knowledge, you can create engaging, mouth-watering content that attracts food enthusiasts and advertisers. As your blog gains popularity, you can monetize it through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for driving sales and increasing revenues. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can craft compelling email content with attention-grabbing subject lines and engaging calls to action. By optimizing your email campaigns, you can boost customer engagement and generate income through increased sales and conversions. SEO Keywords for Content Dominance. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for improving your content's online visibility. ChatGPT can generate powerful SEO keywords, titles, and meta descriptions to enhance your content's reach in search engine rankings. By offering SEO services to other content-producing companies, you can monetize ChatGPT's ability to provide data-driven insights and boost their content's online visibility. By exploring these 10 innovative ways to earn money through ChatGPT, you can unlock its full potential and tap into a world of professional success and financial growth. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, or marketing expert, ChatGPT offers a plethora of opportunities to thrive in the digital landscape. Subscribe the channel for more informative content.